Did you know that there are other ways to make money with your car apart from doing food delivery? Continue watching this video without skipping to learn more about these unique ways to make money with your car. Welcome to my channel. My name is Valemer and this channel is all about finance. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money driving your car or using your car. This is a unique way to make your passive income. As you can see, I am very excited to share this information with you, so continue watching this video. Take your pen and your paper and be ready with me. Let's go. We use our cars to go to work, to go to the grocery store. We use our cars in general to move. Why not make hundreds of dollars by placing advertising stickers on your car? I'll be naming 3 companies that are known to do that. The first website that does this, it is called Carvertise. You go to their website, you fill in the form with your information. If you are approved for that, then you're going to be called and place car wraps on your car. With Carvertise, you are required to drive 30 miles per day. Your car must be a 2009 or newer model. Make sure you have a clean driving license. And of course, be insured. And last but not least, you need to pass your background check. Pay ranges from $400 to $1,500. The second website or app you can use, it is called Nicolytics. To apply for that, you have to download the app and sign up. Next step is going to be you filling in the questionnaire about your driving habits, about your insurance, and about yourself in general. They want to know if you qualify for it or not. When you are done with your questionnaire, then you activate the app while driving. The minimum mileage requirement is 30 miles per day and also 150 miles per week. Your car must be not more than 10 years old. Most drivers earn between $175 to $250 and sometimes they go above $500. All depends on the type of advertisement you want to put on your car and the length of advertisement. The longer your advert stays on your car, the higher amount of money you earn. The third one is called Rapify. These ones are based on how far you drive. What you have to do, download the app, you sign up, and drive as you normally do and start getting offers. Once you see a campaign that you love or you love the price that you are seeing, then you sign up for that. You can earn working with Rapify between $196 to $452. And also depends on how long you do your advertisement. Honestly, that's the key. You cannot do an advert or place an advert on your car for 2 days, for example, and expect me that I keep the adverts on my car for a month to have the same amount of pay. So the longer your adverts, the higher the money. The second way to make money using your car, we are done talking about ways to make money advertising or putting adverts on your car. Now we are moving to the second way to make money using your car. If you love the presence of kids, this should be a good one for you. There is this app called Ride Zoom. What is Ride Zoom? You ride kids from home to their schools and from schools to their homes. Concerning about Ride Zoom, if you're the type of person that doesn't like to be in the midst of kids, then don't do it. But again, guys, you want to gain some money. All you have to do is to drive. I remember when I used to go to school as a university student, I am scared of dogs. But guess what? I was actually going to the parks with dogs. I was being paid to do that. I was terrified. But when I think or I remembered how much I was making by just holding that strap or that rope and going around with a dog, I was making around $200, $300 a day. My fear went away. That's how much money can make my fear to move. So do not be discouraged and say to yourself, I don't like kids, I don't like that. No. Do you prefer to have an empty pocket because you don't love kids? Meanwhile, you could make money with those kids? Come on, guys. Sign up, make some money. You have to know that a background check will be done. They're also going to check your car. You will need an interview in order to start working with Ride Zoom. The good thing about this is you decide what ride you want to take or not. The pay for this one is between $16 to $35 per hour. Before we continue to the third way to make money with your car, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Show me a lot of love by liking, leaving a comment, and sharing with me what you love and what you have learned or what you are going to implement in the comment section. Let's move to the third one, which is deliver packages with Amazon Flex. What do you do to sign up with Amazon Flex? You register with Amazon Flex, you download the app, a background check will be done. If you are accepted, then all you have to do is you drive to the warehouse they will assign you to, pick up your packages and start delivering. The size of your car determines the amount of packages you will get. What I love about Amazon Flex is that they give you packages within a zip code. You can earn between $15 to $20 an hour with your own schedule. The fourth way to make money with your car is renting your car. If you have two cars, or if you have a car and you don't use it often, for example, maybe you're going to work with a train and you leave your car in your garage, get paid for renting your car to others. The number one app for that service is called Turo. All you have to do is to sign up, put your information, put your car information, and that's it. Turo makes sure that your car is tracked. And whosoever your client is, there's a background check made on that client. How much can you make with Turo renting your car to people? You can make $40, you can make 60, 80, 100. Honestly, it depends on how long your client is going to keep your car. One, it depends on your location. Two, also it depends on the type of car. Three, there's another one that you can rent out your car with. It's called Hire Car. In this one, most renters are Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. The sign-up process is the same as the Turo process. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.